Bullish swipe cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1 and $2.18 by 2030. Market experts accept SXP could reach $1 by 2025. Bearish swipe market cost expectation for 2022 is 17 cents. Swipe presentation. The cryptographic money market has become very aggressive, however, has developed enormously as additional organizations embrace the utilization of advanced monetary forms in their everyday business and speculation. SXP has areas of strength for it. Yet it is viewed as an unpredictable resource by numerous financial backers as they move most of their possessions to a more steady money. In any case, SXP plans to be a completely decentralized resource after its securing by Binance, which ends up being a promising improvement for the convention. Be that as it may, in this piece, we assess the potential outcomes of Swipe recapturing its forward movement before very long by investigating the center essentials of the venture, late turns of events, specialized cost examination, and an intricate perspective on SXP cost figures from cryptographic money specialists. What is Swipe? Swipe, or Sunlight-based organization, is a local area-driven decentralized stage to make an environment where organizations or people can create check cards supported by digital money and encourage a simple installment experience. Swipe is worked to go about as a scaffold between installment organizations and crypto trades. They expect to empower genuine administration inside the organization with solid local area investment and use the designated confirmation of stake agreement system to keep a proficient and viable blockchain convention with many elements. This made the convention remarkable and not quite the same as the other blockchain's undertakings, as it keeps turning on present-day innovation. The Swipe network awards clients an exceptionally protected structure to get to near 150 digital currencies in north of 70 million districts as a mode of exchange and installment. The local badge of the convention. The SXP token is a flexible coin that serves many capabilities inside the organization, like administration and marking rewards, multi-chain exchanges, on-chain and off-chain installments, and so on. The symbolic aids in taking special care of handling and exchange expenses, a method for deciding on the convention for updates and authority, openness to the Ethereum and Binance Shrewd chain, and is likewise valuable in card issue charges. One of the remarkable highlights of Swipe is the exceptional programming interface and lock include that permits the client to report a taken or lost card, which is gone to promptly work. The client obtains another card. Sun-based organization was obtained by Binance in 2020 and stretched out its element to help the transformation of NFTs, computerized resources, and cryptographic forms of money to fiat at a modern change rate. Swipe Essential Examination. Sun-based organization was established in 2018 by Joselito Lizarrando, going about as the president, and Naam Willems, who is presently the central specialized official. The establishing group is very much knowledgeable about the improvement of blockchain innovation, business in the monetary area, and the development of a functioning local area, which they applied in forming Swipe into an elite specialized item. Associations. Swipe has developed its area and client base by coordinating its frameworks into the blockchain and conventional money industry, particularly in the charge card area. Swipe includes the Swipe programming interface, the Swipe charge cards, and the Swipe trade that has helped in developing the Swipe environment and local area. The different achievements that SXP has gone through have driven the cost to a high point. Similar to the procurement of the organization by Binance, the main digital currency trade stage, in July 2020, Binance local token was recorded in the Swipe stage, making BNB a tradable resource by means of the Swipe check card. Swipe current cost. Swipe is at present worth 22 cents USD. SXP has moved 1.42% as of now with an exchanging volume of $12,514,016. Swipe is at present positioned 162 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $112,088,202 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Swipe to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. With the potential for additional receptions, coordinated efforts, and the utilization instance of Swipe, the cost esteem is supposed to reach more current levels in the event that the worldwide market stays nonpartisan or becomes bullish for a more drawn-out period. A portion of these joint efforts with specific undertakings will prompt development in market capitalization. However, what are the cost projections for the token in the following decade? Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Swipe market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Swipe Value Forecast 2022. Swipe, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The SXP cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 33 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 31 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. SXP is supposed to have a base worth of 26 cents. Swipe value expectation 2023. In 2023, Swipe SXP cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SXP will before long outperform 55 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the SXP's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SXP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 44 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 48 cents. Swipe value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 77 cents and SXP might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SXP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 71 cents and a low of 66 cents in 2024. Swipe value forecast 2025. On the off chance that Swipe effectively helps market opinion among digital currency lovers, the SXP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SXP will be green in 2025. The SXP is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $1, with a base cost of 88 cents and a typical cost of 93 cents. Swipe value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the SXP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.16 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.11 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, SXP has a greatest value worth of $1.22. Swipe value forecast 2027, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.38. On the off chance that SXP figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.45. Neglecting to accumulate the help SXP needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.33. Swipe value expectation 2028. While SXP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $1.56 and a yearly cost close above $1.67 in 2028. Swipe value expectation 2029. By 2029, Swipe will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.78 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.89, averaging out at $1.82.